How to create a watch list in the XM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a simple way to track your favorite markets and assets in the XM app, you are in the right spot. Without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your XM application on your smartphone. Log into your account like you normally do, and once you're inside the Markets tab, go ahead and scroll through the Markets tab and tap on the pencil button right in front of Popular and under the Markets option. You'll then be able to see this Manage Watch List page. Go to the very bottom and tap on New Watch List in order to create a new watch list. Enter a watch list name in the text box. Once you are done, click on Create. Now, you have created a new watch list. Go and open up your watch list from the Markets tab, and you can now start adding instruments to your watch list. Tap on Add Instrument at the bottom and select the instruments you'd like to add. Tap the plus icon right next to the instruments and click on your new watch list from the pop-up and click Save. Repeat this process to add more instruments to your watch list. And there you go. You can now be able to see your watch list with newly added instruments. If you ever want to remove an asset, simply go ahead and swipe left on the asset inside the watch list and tap on the trash icon. And that's it. That's how you create a personalized watch list in the XM app and track your favorite assets and stay ahead in the market with a few simple taps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.